Is this degree going to get me anything? Probably not. But are these programming skills going to get me something? Probably yes. Okay, and welcome, Internet. Hello, Internet, to episode 1 of my independent game developer devlog. I started my day off today by walking over to a forested area and awkwardly recording this as I am now, but all that audio was garbage because of the wind, so hence the rag over the microphone this time. So let's give this another crack, I guess. And let's start off by addressing why I'm recording myself right now and why I'm posting it to YouTube. It's definitely not because I think I'm suited for this or entertaining or special or super smart in programming or something. It's because I need to exist on the internet, and this is my attempt at doing so. And why, you might ask, do I need to exist on the internet? That is because I want to make video games that lots of people play and lots of people enjoy, or at least some people. To do that, I think they need to know about the game existing, and to do that, they need to know about me existing. So I need to put myself out there. I need to get my opinions out there to be found, or my viewpoint, my journey, whatever. Maybe some people will enjoy this, maybe nobody will watch it, and that's fine. If nothing else, then I'll have something to look back on and to basically document this journey as I go forward. Shout out to Gary V, by the way. I'm not too good at this. I'm not very comfortable in front of a camera. That's why it's really, really far away today. But yeah, let me check my notes and see what I was going to talk about. So yeah, let's give you some context as to who I am, where I'm coming from. Right now, I'm in Canada. I'm in near Toronto, kind of. I'm in Guelph, Ontario. Just moved here the other week, and for a long time I've been trying to get myself going on this devlog thing. And after watching some guys on YouTube last night, some other successful or moderately successful ones, people just documenting their independent game development, and seeing how, they were having some success with it, I figure, why can't I? So here I am. But yes, context, who I am, what I'm doing. So I went to a college called Sheridan College for game design. We were their guinea pig class, as in we were the first. My class was the first to go through the program ever. So it was good. It's better every year, let's put it that way. But anyway, it was a really valuable experience for me, and I went through that and met a lot of friends and made some games, and brought me to experience programming for the first time, actually. And I turned out to really, really love it. So anyway, fast forward to the 4th year of that. It's a 4-year bachelor program, which, by the way, I haven't graduated yet technically, but I don't really plan on doing it because it's not really worthwhile. Maybe I will. I just need to get 3 credits, whatever. But the point is, I came out of... Actually, maybe it's interesting to tell that story. So in the final year of my school, we had a capstone project in which we spend 2 semesters building a game with one team of people, one game. And at the end of the year, we get to show it around at 1 or 2 shows and have a big portfolio piece. And really, it's an opportunity to be creatively free with a game without any financial or other burdens that it needs to live up to. So anyway, during that year, I made the decision to not take my electives, to drop them, because I was, really busy writing psychology papers and crap like that. And as much as I'm interested in that stuff, I found that I really needed to up my game when it comes to programming if I wanted to be employable coming out of the program. So it's like, is this degree going to get me anything? Probably not. but are these programming skills going to get me something? Probably yes. And that turned out to be somewhat true, or at least half true, because I did come out of the program and got some work right away. So anyway, I went off to work at a couple startups, did this and that, not so great projects, but I ended up working with guys at Lucky VR making the PokerStars VR game that maybe some of you have seen on there on the Oculus Store or on Steam. And so that's my first commercial project that I've worked on, and that was actually really, really fun. It was a great team, and it's pretty satisfying to have something out there that I've worked on. But I decided to leave them at the end of the last year to get back to doing my own thing, because I found that I just wasn't, I don't know, the happiest I've ever been is during those 8 months at school making my own game with 3 other people, like 3 other close friends. I was at my best then, and even though I was working 16 hours a day approximately, almost 7 days a week, like, you might call that crunch, but I was super happy to do it. I was walking through snowstorms to get to the office to sit down and program all day, and I couldn't be happier because it was my own thing. And I don't know, there's probably more to talk about there, but I'm not really ready to do that yet. Anyway, so I left them, and I left that great team, that great financial opportunity, made the terrible financial decision of becoming self-unemployed, moving out here to Guelph and working on my own game. So I hope to bring you along on the journey of making that game. It's already kind of halfway there, hopefully. I mean, hopefully I'm not spending another 2 years on it. But yeah, maybe I'll show you some of that today and show you what that's all about. What else did I want to talk about? As I said, I'm not really comfortable doing this, and I'm not good at it. I'm not organized yet, but hopefully it'll get better as I go. Hopefully I'll figure out this vlog life, or maybe I'll turn out not to do a vlog at all, or do some other format. I don't really know. But yeah, welcome to Steph Dev's vlog, Devlog, video game making vlog recording journey thing. Let's see how it goes. Okay, here we are on the desktop. I'm just going to give you a quick look at what Glass Cannon is. I don't know if I mentioned the name of it. Yes, I think I did. But yes, this is Glass Cannon. I'm going to start up a build right now and show you. Oh, never mind. What? One moment, please. Okay, here we are running it. I'll just do it in the editor. Okay, here's Glass Cannon as it currently stands. It is a VR game. Let me grab the headset. The VR mode is kind of on hold right now. Let's see here. So you can kind of see I do have avatars in. I do have avatars in and working. But currently there's a rendering problem with the with Unity. I'm waiting on them to implement a fix for that. So for now, we are going to be in just a desktop mode. So we're going to start a local sim here, and what we have here is a twin stick shooter. It's set in a 3D arena, so you can see that it's got some depth to it. I can go up ramps and down ramps. And it's pretty simple so far. You can shoot, and you can apply a brake. I've got a lot of design stuff to talk about down the road, but for now, the biggest thing is that the bullets also follow ramps, just as a player would. So this introduces some interesting mechanics to play with. Namely, like, I can't shoot the blue guy from here, but if I was over where the blue guy is, I can shoot that way, because the bullets can travel up ramps, but here they're hitting a wall. I can also go under the bridge, stuff like that. Stuff that you probably wouldn't normally see in a twin stick shooter, but in 3D it adds some extra little spice. I have some basic little dummies that I can shoot, and obviously I just bumped the other one off into space because they're not actually doing any simulation other than the physics right now. They have no gravity, so that guy's gone forever. But yeah, if I go back over here, I can kind of give you an idea of how this is going to look real quick. So the idea is that you will be in VR and you will be in this tower or this garden, this environment with a bunch of tables around. So what you see here, the arena where the game is actually taking place, will be superimposed onto this tabletop here. There we go. And so you'll be in this environment, kind of at I'm thinking like a chess park where you play 1v1 across the table from a friend, or it'll be match made online as well. So you'll be able to have a room full of 4 or 6 people and play against each other and play other people and do all kinds of fun stuff. So the bulk of what I've been doing so far in the game has been networking, and I've been building networking from the ground up to have full control over it and have it just the way I like it, and also down the road to be able to port it to other languages as I move away from Unity, but that's a talk for another day. Okay, here's the build running. I'm just going to set this one to be a server. We're going to do a local test just to show you it working in a networked fashion. I'm going to go localhost, connect, and now these two clients are connected through an authoritative server, and you can see that my motion and shooting and stuff is networked to the other client. So this is me playing here on the top window, and me playing down here on the bottom window. And I can shoot and kill the other guy, and it's not spectacular so far, but it works. So going forward, and in the next few days, I'm going to be tackling this to-do list, which is ever growing and will never be fully tackled. But here at the top, we have quite a few mechanical jobs. So it should be really fun to see the gameplay kind of mature as we add different mechanics and make this actually really interesting, and hopefully building on top of what I've already built where it's already working networked, we'll get something really interesting that people can test online. So maybe today I'll tackle 1 or 2 of these items. For now, I'm going to go get some food, and then we'll come back and take a look. Okay, so it's about 8 hours later. I completely lied about what I was going to do. I got lunch, and then I ended up doing some cleaning and went to see a movie with my girlfriend. We went to see the Avengers Endgame. It was okay. My expectations weren't high. I'm not really into it that much, but it was fine. But yeah, here I am now looking at the list. Let's switch that over. But I think what I'm going to do is take the rest of the night, or take another hour, and edit the video that I've created today, and come back at you tomorrow with some real programming. So until then, I guess I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.